is going to make various sound effects. Isaac and Carolina are going to structure a scene around these sound effects.
Should have picked you.
Okay. So, to get the scene going, what we need is a non-geographical location.
My mind.
McDonald's.
Kindergarten class. A kindergarten class.
Emily's on a roll today.
Okay, children. Now, what we're going to learn here today is called...
You say?
Wait, I hear something.
Sounds like a funky tune.
It's coming from the toy chest.
The magic toy chest full of wonder?
Yeah.
All right, I'm getting there. Sorry. Hold on. Give me a second. I can't find me as left. All right. Why is it so far?
This might be a good time to tell you.
What?
That I'm not actually human.
What?
Oh, no, Billy.
What?
No. A transformation, Billy.
No. Okay, got it.
I'm actually a hamster.
Oh. Well, that's not as bad as I thought it was. Like, I don't know, some elastic on it. Are you a friendly hamster? I'm going to take that as a super duper yes. Who's a good hamster? Who's a good hamster? You. Oh, she likes me!
Yeah, you're a shampooing hamster.
Oh, hey, shampooing hamster, that's exactly what I needed. Oh, it feels nice. What's that? What do you...
It's the water. So
okay.
Turn around.
All right, fine.
We'll have your hair done in no
Give me a few seconds. I have very tiny eyes.
Okay, hold on now. Let me get the cap on you.
I don't feel comfortable bathing in school.
This one packs weird like 5 seconds. Let me put this helmet on you.
Sure, I need a helmet.
When I put this helmet on you, you will become Skeletor.
Wait, what?
In the 80s. God damn it, why are you so young?
Where is that He-Man? I'll destroy Hamsterdor! Thank you for bringing me back from the undead. Now, with your hamster powers and our chest of evil. What happened to the chest of evil?
I pooped on it.
You pooped on it? Poop on it? Wah! I meant to die.
Oh.
You're the